I'm gonna show you how to make 5 to 10K a month from home, no BS. It is called print on demand as well as branded dropshipping, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Now, don't worry about everyone finding out about this because statistically, only 5% of people will watch till the end of the video. First, we need to come up with a design. And don't be intimidated by that. I promise you, anyone can do it. You can do it on your laptop or you can do it even on your phone. You might ask, what's the design for? Well, you will see later on, and that's actually what makes it such a fun side hustle. First, you're gonna head over to Canva. It's a website where you can absolutely design anything. Create a design here. Today, I'm going to be using a special font for this video, and I like it pink. And download it onto your computer. To create an online store, sign up with Shopify. Once you get in, go to apps and customize your store. Search up Printful and download this app right here. Once you're in, you will see so many products for you to choose to put your design on. I chose this backpack, and all you really need to do is just to upload your design here and adjust it however you like. You can even choose the background, and here you go. I decided to add one more design. A smiley face, why not? See where it fits, and to the next step. Here you can choose your mockups. Hit next. Here you can edit your descriptions a little bit. Go to pricing. As you can see, it costs $40 and I'm selling it for $56, and the profit is $16. Then hit submit to store and go back to Shopify. It's there. Oh, look at that. Everything is already done for you. Now we're going to customize our website a little bit. You can easily do this on your own. And look, it's up for sale. Now you're gonna go to TikTok and consistently post the videos about your products. Take this shop as an example and make sure to link your website in the bio. And the best part about this business model is that you don't hold any inventory and that you don't do any of the shipping as well. So whenever someone buys from you, the supplier then prints the design on the product and ship it straight to your customers. And you get to keep the profit.